Every bottle of shampoo begins with carefully selected ingredients: purified water, cleansing surfactants, conditioners, fragrances, and natural extracts. The ingredients are blended inside large mixing tanks until they become a smooth, gentle shampoo base. Next, conditioning ingredients are added to make the shampoo soft, smooth, and gentle on your hair. Thickening agents are carefully mixed in to give the shampoo its rich, creamy texture. Natural fragrances and cosmetic colors are blended evenly to create the shampoo's refreshing scent and appearance. The pH is adjusted carefully. Then the shampoo is blended until it becomes perfectly smooth and balanced. The shampoo is filtered to remove even the smallest impurities, ensuring every bottle is perfectly smooth and crystal clear. Next, automated machines fill each bottle. Each bottle is securely capped and sealed to keep the shampoo fresh and protected. Finally, every bottle is labeled, packed into cartons, palletized, and shipped to stores around the world, ready to keep your hair clean and healthy.